Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you are fine now friends. Once again in this video I'm talking about the Holochain. In this video I will show you the latest update, the latest news of the Holochain, which is very important for all Holochain holders. Keep watching this video till the end friends, and if you are new to my channel, so please click the subscribe button, like this video for more this kind of news and updates videos friends. Anyways my friends, let's start the video friends and let's move on. The currently and latest price of the Holo in the market is 0.01149 USD dollar is the currently price of the Holochain in the market. On the other side, if you look, the price changes occur in the Holochain. So the last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week, the whole changes occur in the Holochain as going down, negative. The price of the Holochain is going down day by day, hour by hour, minute by minute. What's the reason behind it? A lot of people also ask me this question, that what should we do this time? Is it the best time to buy, sell or hold Holochain? So finally I decide to answer your question in this video friends. Let's see the price chart of the Holochain. As you can see here, now if we look, the latest price changes occur in the Holochain in the 24-hour, in the 4-hour. Last to now I think they start jumping, and I hope that is just the beginning jumping. With the passage of time they take a high jump, high jump friends. Now the Holochain start gradually moving upward friends, but they will give you a good surprise in the future friends. Wait for this surprise. Anyways, if you look, the previous time changes occur in the Holochain, so absolutely the previous is a continuously fast down occur in the Holochain, but now I think in this time they gradually start moving upward, so that's a good news. And my suggestion, my recommendation for all of you is to hold Holochain for a long time friends. Anyways, if you look, the changes occur in the Holochain, so negative 2.25% prices occur in the Holochain, and the highest price is 0.011929 USD dollar is the highest price of the Holochain. Anyways, what's your opinion? What's your prediction about Holochain? Please share in the comment box, and kindly please don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates.